Hello and welcome to another Bitcoin analysis. In this video, we will be looking at the chart structure as well as the liquidation heat map. We will be looking at some price targets and also the possible retracement zones where we could go with price if we now see a correction. So first of all, if you haven't watched the other videos, we are currently in a 5-wave move to the upside in our opinion, in our count. And what currently is the question is whether we are in this green count or in this blue count. So in this green count, it's possible that we extend further upwards. This is our next price target for the green count if we extend further upwards. Afterwards, there are more price targets. There are also more price targets for the blue ones. We don't have them on this public chart. If you're interested in them, feel free to check out our website. But yeah, these prices can basically extend way higher. And yeah, if you want to know the exact price, just check out our website. For now, we can't really tell if there has been a top, if there hasn't been a top. There is no clear tell so far. We still have to wait and still see some more price action and just some more time passing until we can fully determine that. What we can look at is if we do retrace now, which we're sort of seeing. It is just before US market open and we have already gone down from the top about 5%, is if we actually do see a retracement now, how far can we go down? And we, as I've said, have two scenarios. If it's the first scenario, the blue scenario, which is our main one, which we mainly believe is happening, a retracement could go as deep as 71,000, but it's more likely that it will go to something like 80,000, 75,000, just not as deep. We will have a look at the heat map in a second to see other reasons why we might go to some of these price levels. If we are in the green count, which is sort of, it's long-term more bullish, but short-term more bearish, we could see prices as low as 64,000 to 57,000, basically in this green area. We, however, don't currently think that that is the main scenario. That is just to keep in mind that also it's always possible, even if we're all euphoric right now and thinking, oh my God, it's going so much higher. It's always possible to see a retracement. 64K sounds so unreasonable right now because we've seen this crazy move, but imagine, just look at it. It's 24% down only from here. That is not a large correction for crypto, not in a bull market, not even a bull market. So that's definitely possible. Let's get to the heat map now. We have seen in the past few days during this rally, I was watching this all the time, this heat map basically. Every time we went up, we saw more liquidity coming in upwards, more. There was always more liquidity coming up upwards, and that's just people shorting because people were like, at some place it just has to top, and then I want to be short and just take the whole move down so I have all of those profits. And basically those people shorting gave us the fuel to actually pump, sort of an ironic principle of the market. As you can see right now, there's still a lot of liquidity above us, above the all-time high. A lot of people have probably set their stop loss for their short positions there. But what is even more significant, what we've already pointed out the past few days, is there is a lot of liquidity down here and down here. So if we again look at the price points we have, the main one we would see as logical is basically between 80 and 75. If we look at this here, where is a lot of liquidity, 80,000 and 75,000. So very reasonable in our opinion. Of course, you're responsible for your own trades. Do your own research on this. This is just our opinion. This is not financial advice. If you want any more exact price targets or want to know exactly what we are doing in this scenario, how we are trading this, and a more in-depth analysis, please feel free to check out our website. And I think that is enough said for this video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.